Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to change the site logo as well as the title for your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys want to make sure of is that you're logged into your WordPress website, or I should say WordPress account as an administrator. So assuming that you're already here, you're on the dashboard, and you have the Elementor plugin installed, you're ready for the next step. And the idea here is we want to get access to the site builder or the site editor. And to do so, there are quite a few ways that you can get there. As you can probably tell already, under the quick links tab, there's an option to edit the site. So by clicking on this, it should take you to this page here where you get to configure your site settings. Or you could also click on appearance, click on editor, that's one way to do it, or click on plugins and click on installed plugins and select Elementor as the one that you want to configure, and it's pretty much the same deal. So from here, we're going to click on our site editor. So once we're here, you want to click on elements for the editor and type down site title and site logo. So as you can probably tell, we have all of them here. And the one that we want to opt for is these two right here, site title and site logo. And the idea is when we go to add it to our website, like so, we'll be adding a new element. So as you can see here, it's within this widget layout right here. So let's pretend that the name of our company is Core Dynamics Tech, and we want to add it as a title for this. Here we go. Actually, you know what? Let's create a new widget for this one. So let me just undo that real quick. And then we're going to add a new widget. Select a layout for it. Let's do grid, since this one is the most flexible. And let's do the second structure, like so. And when we go to select an element or a widget to add, that's when we add our site title. So if we add Core Dynamics, we can do stuff like fix the alignment, have it centered here. We can also do change the size, make it large, make it extra large, like so, if you really want it to pop out, as well as add a custom redirect link or an HTML embed for the site. So whenever people click on this, they'd be redirected to somewhere else on the page. So you can do that, or you can even change the font or upload an image. So let's do let's actually upload an icon to our site title, as you can see here. So right off the bat, let's do let's do a credit card, for example. So if you were to add this or add a different font for it, actually let's just do the icon for now. Click on insert. You can see that you can add a couple of different artwork to our site title. So that's pretty cool. And if we wanted to add a logo for it, we can do that too by adding another element within the same widget. And to do so, you guys would want to highlight this, or I should say hover over this one, click on the plus icon, type down site, select logo. And from here, you can see that this is actually the one that I have chosen. So if you want to change the resolution for this, make it much bigger, you can do so too, as you can see. And these actually tie with each other since they're within the same widget. So you could resize this to however you guys want or whatever. As you can see, that's how it looks. But if you want it to be layered, two elements within one, you can do so too. Or like you can rearrange it. So I'll show you just how to edit this. So I believe it was under style, where we get to configure our icon. So here you can get to change the color for it. So let's do right off the bat. Actually, hold on. Pick this one first. Title, content, credit card, insert. Here we are. Now let's click on this. Change the size for it. Let's do medium for now. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.